Can you tell us about those beads around your neck?
Yeah, okay. So these are my beads of courage. The black ones are for every needle I had. The yellow ones are for every night in hospital. This big bingo one was when I talked for the first time after my surgery. Yeah, these glow-in-the-dark ones are from radiation therapy. Yeah, I think these are from chemo. These red ones are for blood transfusion when they had to give more blood to me.
How does it feel to have over 550 beads around your neck?
I'm really proud of them, but they are really heavy.